Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can log in to this application in three different views. Usually, we'll get nowadays it's going trend, right? We are testing the responsiveness of an application. So we can test the same login with the desktop view, with the iPad view, or with a mobile view. Okay. To get a different perspective, click on and inspect. You will get this is iPad Air. So it is a responsive website, right? See, if I just open any iPhone, so it is a different view. And if I just remove this, it's a desktop view. Okay. This is open source. You can easily see open source demo Orange HRM Live. It's usually the testing application what we use. The username and password are here only. Admin and admin123. Okay. So how to test this? In WebDriver IO. So now let me share the screen of Visual Studio. Let me create one of the spec. So for login, we can actually create a function, but for the time being, I'll not create a function. I'll show you in a describe and edit block. Let me create new file. So responsive testing I'll add or responsive test.js. Okay. So I can take this responsive test. I'll just add like this. I can take this URL. Before that, I can add await browser dot. So in order to set the size, we have something called set window size as function. So for browser, let me add 1920 1080. Now here, so I want to write the values. Okay. So let me go to the browser again. So let me take the name. So name itself is a username. For it to run properly, just I'll add, so it's an input. So just write input. This is an XPath, by the way. So I'll just write name equal to the username. So only one is matched. Okay. So I'll just copy this. I'll go back to my screen and paste it here. And you have to make sure it is in the name is username and value should be admin. Let me go back to the browser again. So I want password. So here, the name is password. Okay, just copy that. It should be small admin123. Okay. So usually we don't give the password like this. It should be an encrypted value, something like that. But for the time being, for this class, I'll just write admin123. Okay. So I'll remove this and I'll remove this. So here I have to the button type is submit. Okay, awesome. So let me share the Visual Studio again. So button type is submit and I'm taking the screenshot of this one. So now, so as soon as you do, you can close the browser. Okay. Wait, browser dot close. You can do a similar thing with, let's say, a responsive test in iPad, responsive test in iPhone, any particular iPhone. Okay. Let us take the responsive in an iPad. Let me click here. So iPhone 390 844. Just we will change that 390 844. This 390 844. Let me go to an iPad Air. It's 820 1180. Okay. New share 820 1180. Okay. Now let me copy this responsive test package.json. I can give this one here. Okay. Now let me run it. Okay. Let me now run npm run test run. So let me now run it. Test run. Don't worry, I'll add the code in the description. You can look into it, but just watch the run here. So now it should launch the Edge browser. Yes, it launched the Edge browser. So Orange HRM, it should successfully use username and password. Username, password, click on login. Now it should successfully log out. Yeah. When it open the iPad view, it should log in and it successfully logs out. And it should open the mobile view, log in, and it successfully logs out. Yeah, that's it. So now we'll get the result. See, this test case are no pass, test case in desktop, iPad, and iPhone. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.